Hi guys, this is Chantal from Luxe Delight. For a long time right now, I've been dreaming of having this soap room for myself, and you know, not just soap room, but sort of like my lab where I can create products and test and all that sort of stuff. And for a long time I worked in our garage, and then I started working in our kitchen, and I just want to create the separation between my soap and skincare products and all that stuff in between my house. I just want to have this space that I can create in, and it will be always clean, and I will have everything in its place, and I don't have to worry about moving it and all that stuff. So I'm right here in my basement right now, and I'm going to be changing it into this studio for myself, where I can create products for you guys, and I can ensure that they're stored properly and all that stuff, especially that I'm going to start making cosmetics now. I just wanted to show you the state of the room right now, and please don't freak out. It is messy. It gets this way in the winter just because we kind of shove things down here, and this is gonna change from now on. I'm going to be storing our stuff in the shed during the winter, and this is just gonna be my studio. I also have right here my laundry room, so you probably heard some noise. That's what was going on. So yeah, let me just show you around what we have right here. And sorry, the light is harsh. I'm going to be working on that too. Hopefully I'll be creating some studio lights or something that will help with the lighting down here, so that you know, I can create tutorials for you guys, and I can also show you what I'm working on and all that stuff. So let me turn you around and show you what's there. Just don't freak out. Sorry, the lighting is so low. So right here, this is the entrance of our basement. It doesn't look like much right now. I have my outside table right now stored down here, which I'm going to be taking outside. And there's just tons of mess right now. So we used to have carpeting down here, and that's why I didn't want to work in the basement, because I didn't want things spilling on the carpet. But we had an accident that happened with our heating system, which flooded our basement down here, so we had to rip up all of our carpeting. So it's a pretty wide space. Well, it will be. This is my laundry room right there, which I will... The doors broke on that also because of the swelling of the wood and all that stuff, and also the railing broke, which I will be fixing that. Hopefully my plan is to put some sort of like mat, or you know, like a gym mat. I don't know what you think of that. Is it safe when I'm working with that stuff? But I just want to make the space look clean. And right now the walls are painted this dark green color. This is how the house came, and yeah, I never liked this color for inside the house. And this area right here used to be covered and everything, and I used to put my oils on top, but you know, because we had to change the oil tank, that changed, and hopefully we will be fixing that soon enough. I'm not sure if we'll be able to do it this year, but we'll do that. Also right here, my husband and I were working on creating greenhouses for our garden. So I have to move these things to the shed. This is the state of the room right now. So that's how it looks like right now. It is really messy, and I'm hoping that it will turn out beautiful at the end. I'm hoping to have some shelving and all that stuff, maybe not installed in the walls, but maybe like on the side. And I already store some of my soap stuff in here. I'm gonna be cleaning it up and putting stuff away, and I'll just take you on, you know, step by step on what I'm doing. I'm also going to be repainting the walls white, and yeah. So if you're interested, you could just come along with me and see what I'm going to be doing, and maybe give me some ideas on what I should do, because I don't know, I think I can use them. So I'll appreciate the help. Yeah, right now I'm gonna go have some food because I didn't have any breakfast, and it's probably what time is it right now? Yeah, it's almost lunchtime, 10 minutes to. So I'm gonna go eat something because I'm starving and I'm starting to have a headache, and then I'll come back and take you with me on this. Alright, bye. Okay, so I'm back and I'm ready to start. So First thing I'm gonna do is take this table out of here and put it on the deck, and yeah, so you can just sit down and watch, see what we're doing. Okay, so that's it for this room for today. What I'm going to do is just give it a quick sweep, and I'm going to be putting the stuff away. The battery is about to die. So I just, right here, I have everything that's soap related, which I'm going to be washing everything and putting everything on shelves. And so this is how the room looks like now. Right there I have the shipping stuff and soap containers that I make soap in, and mixing stuff and all that things. And I have a little shelving unit right here. I'm not sure what I'll use it for. It's pretty flimsy. I used to have it in our schoolroom. And I just cleaned up everything from here. And there we still have carpeting to rip up. As you can see, I think it got moldy also, so we have to pull all that up. And like I said, I'm probably going to be putting matting. So yeah, I'm just going to put everything away. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy. And sweep the room. Okay, so I'm back the next day, and I'm just gonna sweep up the floor over here. Sorry for the harsh lighting. Also, I just wanted to say, you know, I have so many projects around the house that I have kind of been put back because I was on crutches for a little over 3 months, and that just kind of messed up my schedule and messed up everything that I wanted to do. And I've had so many projects that I wanted to do for making new products for you guys, and that also had to be put back. So hopefully now that I'm able to walk again and hold things with my hands, not use them for crutches, that I will be able to make a lot of new things for you guys. And I'm so excited, and this is just gonna be a whole new thing, and it's gonna be totally different. So, and I forgot what I was saying. So yeah, I'm going to be bringing a lot of new stuff for you guys. I'm also going to be making tutorials, and I hope that you will be able to learn from these things, and that you will, what I like is, you know, being self-sufficient in everything. I like to have my own vegetable garden. I like to have, you know, of course as sufficient as possible. I like to make my own products, and also I not only like to make my own products, but I also like to make them for others so that they can enjoy good quality products that are organic and naturally sourced, and designed specifically for specific skin types, you know, because I suffered from eczema and my son right here suffered from eczema too, and you know, so I was looking everywhere for something that my skin and my son's skin could tolerate, but there are not a lot of options out there, and they're usually not natural. So because of what we went through, and you know, we also have some family members that have acne, and because of that I'm trying to make things that, you know, for all sorts of skin types, and I really study before I get into making the product. I do a lot of research. I also do a lot of testing before I put it out there for you guys. So it is not just like, hey, hit and run, you know, like make it and sell it. No, I actually put a lot of work into it, and because I want really the best product for you guys, and that's my heart. And I also wanted to teach you, you know, because I can't make for every skin type that's out there. I know there are, you know, specific certain specific skin types that are out there that kind of a lot of people fall in between, but I also know that we're all different and I can't really cover everyone. So that's why I'm bringing in tutorials, so that those people who possibly have a lot of allergies, or maybe have something, skin condition that's not so common or whatever, that they would be able to sort of create their own thing if they're not able to find something for themselves in this in my products or in the market that's out there. And I highly encourage you guys to support small businesses, you know, because we want to bring back businesses into the United States, and this is really something that I really want for our country. You know, I want to be able to provide jobs for people. Hopefully in the future this will happen, and I will be able to provide jobs from my business for people out here in our community, and hopefully in the future for other communities too. This is my dream. Yeah, so also I wanted to tell you, I shared it in another video, but I will say it here again. Ready Media has written and published an article about my business on their website. I'm just so honored to be highlighted by them, to be featured by them. It was, it's just really neat, and I just want to give them a shout out. They're an awesome business based in Pennsylvania, and they do offer marketing for small businesses and nonprofit organizations. And they also do website development for you guys, and social media management and all that types of stuff. So if you are interested and you are trying to bring up your business to the next level, or you know, you want to do some marketing, you need some marketing help, or social media management, or whatever it is, they're the right people to go to. They're awesome people to work with, and I'm just so thankful that they have published this. What are you doing? That they have published this article about my business, and they're right now doing highlighting small businesses, you know, just to kind of be a support for to support small businesses in our country. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say, and right now let's just go ahead and finish cleaning up this room, and then later, oops, my light just turned off. So this lighting will have to do. Sorry, I forgot to charge it. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, a lot of distractions. Anyways, I don't know what I was gonna say. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up and oh yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Yeah, in the next episodes I will be showing you also some other stuff that I will be doing. I'm gonna be bringing here a table and ripping up the rest of the carpets in here. I'm not gonna be able to paint it yet and do all that stuff, so it's gonna take some stages. It's gonna take a while to get finished, just because we have a lot of other projects that are going on around our house. And yeah, so let's just do this. Okay, so that's it. I just finished sweeping the floor, and this is how it looks like for now. I didn't sweep under here just because I didn't want to move everything right now. I will do that another day. But yeah, this is the room, and hopefully pretty soon it will be my studio so that I could just make tons of stuff in here for you guys. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you again in the next episode. If you like this video, if you like what you see here, just hit the subscribe button to receive more of the new videos. And if you want to receive notifications of new videos that I upload, just hit the bell so that you can receive notifications whenever I upload new videos. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section down below. And I will also be leaving a link to my Etsy shop in the description box, and there might be some affiliate links down in there also. Like I said before, buying from these affiliate links does not cost you any more. It just gives me a little bit of money to support my business and my family, and it doesn't cost you any extra. You'll be paying for the product the same price that you would have bought it anyways, but I would appreciate any support. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next brand new episode. Bye.